In this video, we are going to learn about 3D references. 3D formulas or references in Excel are a great way to consolidate the data from multiple sheets. 3D formulas refer several worksheets that have the same structure, which allows you to consolidate the data by using the sum function. Let's take one example. I have this sheet in which I need to create a summary of all the expenses of different departments in different sheets. I have 4 departments: admin, marketing, finance and quality, in which we have direct, indirect, variable expenses data quarter wise. So now we can use the 3D references function to do the consolidation. In normal way, what we do, we start sum function by this way, and first we select admin sheet, then we select the data, then comma, then go to another sheet, we will select this one, then comma, go to finance sheet, again we will select B3, comma, go to quality, then select, we close the bracket, press enter, we got the data. Right now we have only 4 sheets. If we have more than 10, 20, 30 or maybe 100 sheets, it is very difficult to do the summary. But by using the 3D references, it's very easy. So let's begin. So we will use sum function to do the consolidation by pressing equal sign. We will type sum function, press tab. Now click on admin sheet, select the B3 cell and now press shift and click on quality and close the bracket and press enter. Now if I select the cell of function, so we can see admin semicolon quality B3. It means all the sheets between these two sheets, if they have same structure, we will get the consolidation data over here. And now select this one, drag to the right to the total side, and again select this one, drag to the down side. So we got our consolidated data. One more advanced tip. For example, we got one more department's data. Add that data in this consolidation summary. So it's very simple. We have to insert that sheet between these sheets. So now I'm gonna create a copy of finance. So I'm selecting this one, right click, select move and copy, then select finance once again, select create a copy, click on OK and rename it. Rename to dispatch, press enter, and you need to check it is 4511. Here it is 18336, and change some data from here. Let's say 182 and something like that. And now go over here. You can see data has been changed. It was before it was 18, now it is something else. So by that way you can do the consolidation from multiple sheets by using 3D references. Thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe my channel and like the video and do comment. Thank you once again.